Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back to my YouTube product review series. This is Vipin Gupta, and in this short review video, we are going to review this product called as Brandify that you see on my screen right now. This product is being launched by Will Stephens and Billy Wittenberg on Thursday, 25th of November, 11 a.m. EST. So what you see right now on the screen is actually my exclusive bonus page, and in this short review video I'm going to tell you about what this product is, Brandify, and I'm also going to show you the members area. I have early access to the members area. I'm going to take you there and give you a walkthrough about that, and additionally I'm going to give you some exclusive free bonuses. They are worth the value, an amazing one, and you're going to get them as soon as you make the purchase via my link on this bonus page. And remember guys, this bonus page is valid as long as this timer is running, and you will have immediate access to my bonuses as well. So now let me just talk about what is Brandify. So as the name suggests, Brandify, it's an info product. Here you are going to learn about setting up your own brand, creating your own brand. So first question would pop up in your mind, right? Why do you need this product? What is this Brandify? Why do you need this product? So you know that affiliate marketing or internet marketing or digital marketing, it has become a very competitive field. If you are not a person with a brand on your own brand, then it's very difficult to compete. It's the same challenge that I had some past couple of months as well. So this is very important that you make your own brand, right? You stand at a place where you have a brand, you have a value of quality and perspective, because this is really going to be important. Once you have a brand, you do not need to work or walk an extra mile. You just need to do the basic and just keep generating income over and over again. So now this info tutorial is going to help you learn all the skills and all that you need to have in order to build your own brand. So it's a time-tested, proven method for developing a recognizable brand, updated for the modern age. It's not that this technique was not available. It was available, but these guys have worked over it and made it so that it's really going to work out for the today's time, for the digital age. So that's what you're going to get in the training area. And it comes with the complete members area packed with training. No additional money is required. That means you have to just pay it one time and no monthly investment. And the system is designed so anyone can jump and learn. That means it's also beginners friendly, and you do not need to have any special skills. You can do it whoever you are. You could be an engineer, or you could also be a affiliate marketer. Anyone who, if you are a newbie, it's really wonderful for you. And all the secrets the big marketers don't want you to know, they are all available, because these people who are making 6-figure, 7-figure income, they have a brand value, and that's how they stuck in, and they are generating money like anything. Even this worst time of corona, they are still able to generate millions and millions of dollars, and you have to also try to do that. So now let's do one thing. I'll directly take you to the members area. This is the members area where these guys, Willy Wittenberg and Will, both of them have formulated all that is required into this sequence of training. And it's a pretty decent dashboard here. What you are seeing right now, there are different modules available and they're arranged in a sequence. So I would suggest please go through them in a sequence. They have put everything in a strategic way. So for you, so first one is the intro and overview. You will get to learn about what this platform is or what this training is going to be about. Then you are going to learn about the proof. So in the intro, there is second is the proof of concept, that this thing has actually worked. Okay, and how has it worked for people? And then you will learn about the module 2, that is about tools. And there are two sorts of tools here. There are some freely available tools where you do not have to pay anything, and there are also some premium tools which is optional, which you can buy if you decide to expand your empire that you want to do. And then there is the module number 3, that is all the methods, okay, skills that are required, or not the skills, I would say all that you need to do. Yeah, so all that is covered in step number 3. All the instructions are available. For example, the first one is actually the inspiration. Why do you need that? Why do you need to build your brand? All that is contained in this. Then they will talk about logo creation. How can you create your logo, a unique logo? Logo is really very important, and how can you do that is covered here. Then you will learn about how to create mockups, and additional mockups are available. You can create your e-book covers that if you want to. And then comes the module number 4, that is an implementation now. Okay, so once this is all done, now you are in the implementation phase. You will learn about building your list free. So how can you start building your email list just freely? You do not have to pay to the paid traffic and do anything like that. No more investments. How can you do that? And then you will learn about how to build your list. That's a 2.0. Probably there, I don't know about it, so probably you might get to learn about some additional hacks and strategies that are available, and I don't want to disclose all of that to you. And then comes the module number 4, again, that is Commission Gorilla demo. Here you're going to get a demo of complete Commission Gorilla, where you can create your own bonus pages and offer your customers those bonuses and make it look more attractive here. And this is optional here if you want to check it out, but it's on you. If you have time, you can just check it out, but I would say it's worthwhile to check it out. Module number 5 is case study with James Kennedy. So James Kennedy is again an internet marketer. He's also making money in 5 figures. You just have to follow him. Here he's going to show you that how did he use all these training modules and started, how did these training benefited him. And then comes the bonuses. The vendor has some specific bonuses for you. You will be getting access, and in case if you go for any upgrades or upsells, then you will have access to them here. So all these modules are available. You can check that out once you have access to this. So this was a simple and decent members area, and now let me take you to the official sales page and show you what those bonuses are. So vendor is going to offer you all these things. First of all, you will have this Brandify method, whatever I just showed you. You will have step-by-step video training, and you will have additional bonuses like amazing customer support that you're going to get, or you are going to get 2 additional tutorials, YouTube training on how to boost your YouTube ranking and how to boost your videos, or how to boost your SEO on YouTube. All that you're going to get here. And bonus number 2 that you're going to get is video editing training. In case if you are also creating videos, you are promoting a product, then how can you easily use free tools to edit it? All the training you're going to get here. Plus you're going to get access to exclusive FB group. They have their own FB group where there are some experienced and smart internet marketers available. You can ask them questions, you can interact with them, and you get a really decent platform which you can step on and start building up your own empire that you want to have in affiliate marketing. So this is all you're going to get. Ideally, you think this would cost you $1,434, and then you think that someone might give you a discount and it would cost it, but actually this is nothing like that. It's very cheap because this is in a launch period and they have kept a very decent price, and let me show that to you. So they have the front-end version just for $9.95, nothing else. So whatever I just showed you, you're going to get just for $9.95. And there are some 4 different offers. I would say 2. So there is OTO 1 and OTO 2. There is an upsell of $47 and downsell of $27. And here it is $97 and $67. So you can check out the details here. So in offer number 1, upsell number 1, you're going to get a training course ready for Brandify users, okay, to modify your own logos and art. And additionally, you will get 5 training videos, presentations, slideshow, graphics, companion audio files, and even HTML sales page to upload to WordPress. Okay. This all is going to help you build your own product that you can launch, and also you can sell it out. But there is also a downsell to this. But the problem with the downsell is that you are not going to get a sales page. Remember that, guys. Here it is. And then there is a second offer that is called as the Reseller Lite. Reseller Lite is pretty simple. You will have this product as your own product, and you can sell it across your subscribers, your list, and you can keep the 100% profit. There is a $97 upsell and $67 downsell, guys. So this was a simple I would say funnel information. You can just check it out. Which one do you want? If you are just going for a hobby thing, then you can just take a front end one. And if you want to really explore this and set up your own business platform, you can just go for any upgrades. And now let me take you and give you some information on the key benefits that you're going to get. First of all, this is no monthly subscription, no annual subscription. You just have to pay one time and no more other cost involves. And you don't have to really think a lot about, ideas. They have done it. They have all, they have done the hard lifting, and this is what is available for you. No difficult to learn software. So even if you're a newbie, you can experience this. And you do not need to have any high-tech experience. You can work from anywhere, simple to implement, and it's risk-free because they are going to they have secured your investment and given you a 30 days money-back guarantee. So you can try it out and decide, and you have a 30 days money-back guarantee as well. So now is the time I'm going to offer you all my bonuses that I have promised. So first bonus number 1 that I'm going to offer you is called as access to 0 to 100 strategy. How can you make $0 to $100 within just 24 hours? And this strategy is available with this tutorial here, and you can learn this tutorial and start making your money within 24 hours. And the bonus number 2 that I'm going to offer you is called as 5 instant cash strategies. These are some amazing strategies that the people like Jono Armstrong himself has been using to create over and over money and commissions. And all these 5 strategies are covered here in bonus number 2. And the bonus number 3 that I'm going to offer you is our 2,500 email swipes. These are professionally written swipes that you can use in internet marketing and promote it, because email swipes are really good sometimes, because you think about it, how much would it take to create these swipes? It takes too much of manpower, too much of thought process, and you need to also experience that they should be successful. Okay, and they have been proven swipes, and you will have access to them, and you can also generate money using them. Now comes the bonus number 4, that is Aurora license rights. Aurora is one of the very successful or highly successful product of Jono Armstrong. He has generated, I think, thousands of dollars using this product, and you will get license rights to this product as well, so you can have it. Now comes the bonus number 5 that I'm going to offer you is actually a list building strategy. How can you use the free traffic and start building your own email list? As I said, you have a brand. Once you buy this, you will build a brand. You need to use the free traffic to create your list. Once you have a list, you just need to do the basic work, and you will be having your money over and over again. And now comes the bonus number 6, that is the vendor bonuses that I just showed you in the sales page as well. That's what you are going to get. And now you must be thinking about how can you access all of this. Let me just tell you that first of all, click on the link in the description section. There is a link, and that link is going to bring you to my bonus page that you're seeing right now here. And on this bonus page, click on any of these yellow tabs, any of them. So once you click on them, it will take you to the official sales page that I showed you before. And on this sales page, you can just click on get instant access now. And the moment you do that, you can make the purchase. Your purchase will be completed, and it will be in Warrior Plus account. And there you will find a tab like this. Let me show that to you. On your Warrior Plus checkout window, you will have access affiliate bonuses. You can click on this, and the moment you do that, you will have instant access to all my bonuses delivered in your Warrior Plus window here. See, all of them are available. You just have to click on this, and you will be able to get that. And now I hope that it's a short video, and I tried to explain it best as possible. In case if you still have any query, please leave a comment in the comment section. And as I said, guys, in case if you decide to buy, you just have to come here on this my bonus page and make the click and make the purchase, and you will have instant access to all my bonuses now. And I wish you good luck and always to your grand success, and see you in my next review video. So guys, thank you for watching my review video, and as always, if you like my video, then please hit the like button and leave your comments in the comment box. If you are new to this channel, or if you have not subscribed yet, then please hit the subscribe button for receiving such interesting product review videos and supporting my channel. Thank you. See you again.